Weather Channel Original Series premieres Tuesday at 9, only on the Weather Channel.
And now your local on the 8s. A blizzard warning and a flood advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently in our area, 34 degrees with snow. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, blizzard conditions, low 24, winds north-northeast at 25 to 40 miles per hour, a foot or more of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 60 miles per hour. And on Saturday, blizzard conditions, cold, high 23, winds north-northwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour, 4 to 6 inches of snow expected. And Saturday night, windy. Snow showers ending early, low 11. Chance of snow 30%. Our 7-day outlook.
Winter storm Nemo is proving